Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you tired of those awkward silences at the end of a Zoom call? Well, today we are mastering the art of ending a meeting professionally and with high energy. We're using our signature double loop method. First, listen to me say the sentence. Second, speaker 2 will break it down slowly for you to repeat. Third, I'll say it again at full speed. Finally, speaker 2 will say it normally. It's fast, it's fun, and it works. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. It really helps the channel. Ready to sound like a boss? Let's dive in. Let's wrap this up, everyone.
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 Any last-minute burning questions?
Any last-minute burning questions?
Any last-minute burning questions?
Any last-minute burning questions?
We really crushed it today.
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 I'll email the notes shortly.
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 Let's touch base next Monday.
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 Thanks for being so productive.
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 Is everyone clear on tasks?
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 See you at the next one.
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 Let's call it a day.
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 Lunch is on the boss today.
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 We are all done here.
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 Time to get back to work.
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 I'll see you guys later.
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 Let's catch up later today.
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 That was a quick meeting.
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 No more items for today.
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 Go grab some coffee now.
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 I'm signing off for 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 now.
Have a productive afternoon.
Have a productive afternoon.
Have a productive afternoon.
Have a productive afternoon.
Let's wrap it up early.
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 I'm heading to my next call.
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 Take care, everyone.
Take care, everyone.
Take care, everyone.
Take care, everyone.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
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 Let's give you time back.
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 I'll ping you on Slack.
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 Talk to you all soon.
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 Time to close these tabs.
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 Great job, everyone. You did an amazing job shadowing today. We're so proud of your progress. See you in the next video. Bye for now.